What's good, YouTube? We back with another one, man. It's your boy Tay Keys TV, bro. We back. I know y'all was shocked that I have never heard of her. So I said, man, let me go ahead and let me tap in, man. Let me go ahead and give them what they want, and let me listen to it and see what I think. Cause they've been saying, man, I'm tripping for not knowing who she was. It happens, man. You know, we're not gonna know everybody. But what I will do is tap in and see what she talking about on this song. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Smash that like button on this video, man. Comment down below if there's any other songs y'all recommend for me listening to her by her or anybody else. But let's get straight into the video, man. I will be linking the video down in the description below just because I want to watch my reaction as well. But let's get it. Let's hit 15K. Let's run it up.
Ever known? This song is called Nightingale Lane.
Nightingale Lane.
In the South London suburbs, where my first love kissed me goodbye. His lips were thin and beer stained and tear stained. Was a pain that made me cold and numb. After the oceans I cried, I'm made of steel. Just love, but when I drive down this road, I reminisce. I drive slow, I'm letting go now. Just see a ghost town when sometimes at red lights with closed eyes, I tell myself, I dare myself to go on just saying somebody loved me once, somebody will again, like the way you loved me on Nightingale Lane. Although we never made it, stranger, you showed me it's true. I'm capable of loving someone.
Hey, she got vocals, bro. She got vocals, bro. This is why I always tell people, bro, just send me the music, bro. Send me the music video. Send me music, bro, because you never know what you're gonna listen to. You never know what's out there unless people tap in, come in, watch your videos, and just like start recommending you things to react to or watch. And that's why I always tell y'all I appreciate everything y'all do and everything y'all be sending me, because y'all be actually giving me good music. Now, it been times people been sending some crazy things, man. They done sent some crazy, outrageous videos, which I'm fine with. It's funny. Y'all want to see my reaction on it, but also people been saying good music, man. Like this artist, man, she is amazing. She can sing, bro. Like the way she explained and the way she write her lyrics and how she the music videos too, man, fire.
You showed me it's true. I'm capable of loving someone. The way I loved you, it was right there in June, next to Old Park Avenue, standing in the rain. Yeah, it took me long, hard years to get over you. It was an aching I refused to feel again. And looking back now, we never were quite right for each other, baby. But in the absence of passion in my life, I remember how alive love once was. And I sigh when I drive down this road, I reminisce. I drive slow, I've let him go now. Just see a ghost town, and sometimes at red lights with closed eyes, I tell myself, in fact, I dare myself to go on just saying somebody love me once, someday somebody will again, like the way you love me on Nightingale Lane. And though we never made it, stranger, you showed me it's true. I'm capable of loving someone. The way I love you, it was right there.
She feeling it, boy.
Next to Old Park Avenue, standing in the rain, I watched him walk away.
She feeling this.
I've dabbled in love since maybe every other summer. It never lasts long, they never stick around. I'm made of steel now. I believe someday someone gon' come along and knock them walls down. And knock them walls down. When I drive down this road, I'm reminded that though I've let him go, now right here in this ghost town, right here on this ground is where someone once loved me. And someday someone will. Someone will come and find me there. I know it, I know it, I know it. Someone will love me like the way you love me on Nightingale Lane.
Not gonna lie. Fire, bro. Fire, bro. She's good. Like, she's good. She gave me chills, bro. You can tell how passionate, how passionate she is in her music, bro. Like, you can feel it through her voice. You can feel everything through her voice, bro. And people saying she ain't won no Grammy, she ain't won nothing. That's crazy, bro. But there's a lot of artists, there's a lot of actors, bro, that should have won something that didn't. Her time's coming though. She will eventually. She's gonna win one, bro. But hey, man, if y'all enjoyed the video, man, y'all like this. If y'all loving these videos, man, y'all loving this artist, man, make sure y'all send more like her or different types of music. It doesn't matter what y'all send. I will, if we get enough of that one thing, well, we would tap in and do that as well, man. But I love y'all. Thank y'all for subscribing. Thank you for y'all support. We out.